Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert, here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, Michigan, here to talk about season-long weed killing. While the economy is booming here in St. Clair Shores, all my customers are fighting for who has the greenest lawn and the least amount of weeds. Just want to show you real quick a product from Bayer that we seem to be pretty fond of. It's working very well for us. It's a season-long weed control. Put it on your hose, spray it on the weeds. It kills not only the weeds that it gets on, it treats the ground and kills any new weeds that haven't sprouted yet systemically from the bottom up. You want to keep weeds out of your yard and not do a lot of work, give this Bayer product a try. But this is one product that works real well for us. We're selling a lot. People are asking about it. We've been selling this product all spring. Even though we're trying not to be too commercial, this particular product kills weeds for the 6 months, for almost the whole season. So, good product, $20. Give it a try. It works real well. Quick tip, keep your lawn clean from MrHardware.com.